Many days ago, our reading and Buddhist study were emphasized on the textbook. Our purpose for me to let both of you to study textbooks, to have the principle or the main Buddhist or the real Buddhist for the primary source, When you work research, you will know primary source. I brought both of you to the primary source first, and we study the four foundation of mindfulness or mindful breathing in and breathing out, and the principle of wisdom as we mentioned yesterday, and mastering the mind that we study so many ways, including spreading cultivation of love, compassionate love. We study principle of 5 precepts or morality of sila, samadhi, meditation, and panya, wisdom, to see all things as they really are, or to see the thing as it is. And then today we have a good book written by popular Buddhist scholar Thich Nhat Hanh, Vietnamese monk. Now he passed away in Vietnam. He is about 90 years old, and his book very popular and pretty easy to point how to practice in daily life. The book you hold, named Present Moment, Wonderful Present Moment, that would point in every walk of life, in daily life, what to know, what to do to end of suffering. As we practice meditation every day, if we understand about living peacefully moment to moment, or if we know the tactic of living moment to moment, then we can practice meditation easily even in the long time, because we cut the worriness about an hour, about 30 minutes out, but we think about this moment, think about breathing in, breathing out. You don't worry about next minute or next hour, but we are here and now. So from now, I broadcast to distribute the valuable gift or Dhamma gift for those who watch here in Wat Buddhapanya. Now, good morning, Kun Jo Yindi. You can say good morning, Yom Ma. You can
Good morning, Yom Ma.
Okay. From now, your monk son would like to present the great, important, and valuable Dhamma for mom and everybody. Let's start now.
Waking up. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live fully in each moment and to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. What better way to start the day than with a smile? Your smile affirms your awareness and determination to live in peace and joy. How many days slip by in forgetfulness? How are you doing with your life? Look deeply and smile. The source of a true smile is an awakened mind. How can you remember to smile when you wake up? You might hang a reminder such as a branch, a leaf, a painting, or some inspiring word in your window or from your ceiling above your bed. Once you develop the practice of smiling, you may not need a sign. You will smile as soon as you hear a bird sing or see the sunlight stream through the window, and this will help you approach the day with more gentleness and understanding. The last line of the Gatha comes from the Lotus Sutra. The one who looks at all beings with eyes of compassion is Awaloki Satawara.
Awaloki Savara. Awaloke Savara.
Awaloki Sara.
Loke Savara.
Awaloki Te Savara.
Awaloki Te Savara. In Thai, we call Avalokite Swan. If we speak in Thai, Avalokite Swan, you try to speak Avalokite Swan. Avalokite Swan. One more. Avalokite Swan. Okay, we cut the word Avalokite Swan. In English, repeat slowly. Avalokite Savara.
Avalokite
Savara. Okay, some more. Avalokite Savara.
Avalokite
Savara. Very good. Very good. Go on.
The Bodhisattva of compassion. Let me just start over. The one who looks, the last line of this Gatha comes from the Lotus Sutra. The one who looks at all beings with eyes of compassion is Avalokite Savara.
Okay.
The Bodhisattva of compassion.
Okay. That's it. The Bodhisattva of compassion. In here, Venerable Thich try to apply the name Avalokita Savara Bodhisattva is not only one God, but he determined being Avalokite Savara by practice Dhamma, that whoever see other beings, it compassionate mind or merciful mind, he or she can be Avalokite Savara Bodhisattva in that moment. This is how to apply the Dhamma. It's not monopolized just one God, no. Everybody can be Bodhisattva by seeing all being with compassionate love or loving kindness. Go on.
In the sutra, the line reads, quote, eyes of loving kindness look on all living beings, unquote. Love is impossible without understanding. In order to understand others, we must know them and be inside their skin. Then we can treat them with loving kindness. The source of love is our fully awaking mind. 2. Taking the first step of the day. Walking on the earth is a miracle. Each mindful step reveals the wondrous Dhammasarano. This poem can be recited as we get out of bed and our feet touch the floor. It can be used during walking meditation or any time we stand up and walk. Dhammakaya literally means body, kaya, of the Buddhist teachings, Dharma. The best way of understanding, the way of understanding and love. It also is the ground of being manifested as mountains, rivers, stars, moons, and all species. Before passing away, the Buddha told his disciples, quote, Only my physical body will pass away. My Dharma body will live with you forever. Unquote. In Zen, the word has come to mean the essence of all that exists. All phenomena, the song of the bird, the warm rays of the sun, a cup of hot tea, are manifestations of Dharmakaya. We, too, are of the same nature of these wonders of the universe. Walking on the earth is a miracle. We do not have to walk in space or on water to experience a miracle. The real miracle is to be awake in the present moment. Walking on the green earth, we realize the wonder of being alive. When we make steps like these, the sun of the Dharmakaya will shine.
Okay, in one word, that's very important. You heard more, I think you heard more about the word miracle, right?
Miracle.
To pronounce miracle or miracle.
Miracle.
Miracle. And then sometime when you heard about the story in your surrounding, we must think just the miracle of God or some supernatural power. And then in here, it's very beautiful that if you walk or you do everything with awareness or loving kindness, you become miracle. The moment of walk or the moment of awareness is miracle everywhere.
You don't have to walk on water. You don't have to go into space. You don't have to do anything extraordinary.
Yeah,
just walking on the earth is a miracle by itself.
Good explanation, good brief, okay. So you always miracle. You breathe in and breathe out, miracle. You eat, you drink, everything miracle, just to know that. Great.
3. Opening the window. Opening the window, I look out onto the Dharmakaya. How wonderful is life. Attentive to each moment, my mind is like a calm river. My mind is clear like a calm river. After you wake up, you probably open the curtains and look outside. You may even like to open the window and feel the cool morning air with the dew still on the grass. But is what you see really outside? In fact, it is your own mind. As the sun sends its rays through the window, you are not just yourself. You are also the beautiful view from your window. You are all that exists. You are the Dharmakaya. When we open the window and look out, we see that life is infinitely marvelous. At that very moment, we can vow to be awake all day long, realizing joy, peace, freedom, and harmony throughout our lives. When we do this, our mind becomes clear like a calm river. There's also I don't know you can see it, but there's also drawings on each chapter. I might as well show it every time now. It's really nice.
Really nice, yeah.
There's like, go ahead,
Jimmy.
Okay, yeah, it's about
this open window, right?
Yeah, the window.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's always art on the left side. Oh, not on this one, never mind. Not every single one. Okay, never mind. I take that back. Only the past couple.
Okay.
Can I show the waking up one?
Waking up on,
Yeah.
you see, clear. It's clear.
So the second one didn't have it. I thought it had it. Okay, never mind. Not all of them have it, but I'll show it when there's pictures.
Yeah, you want to show, you let me know.
Okay. 4. Turning on the light. Forgetfulness is the darkness. Mindfulness is the light. I bring awareness to shine upon all life. When you touch a light switch, you can stop for a few seconds to recite this gatha before you turn on the light. Not only will there be light in the room, but there will also be light within you. Dwelling in the present moment is a miracle. Every illusion and random thought will disappear. Just as darkness disappears when the light comes on, when we are mindful, we get in touch with the refreshing, peaceful, healing elements within ourselves and around us. Peace and joy are available anytime. Conscious breathing helps us return to the present moment. I practice breathing every day. In my small meditation room, I have a calligraphy of the sentence, breathe, you are alive. When mindfulness shines its light upon our activity, we recover ourselves and encounter life in the present moment. The present moment is a wonderful moment.
Great. Wonderful moment.
I like the use of the light switch. I was kind of thinking. I was trying to think of a metaphor because I have a talk coming up on how to make a metaphor for meditation, and I came to a similar metaphor where it's kind of like if you haven't meditated in a long time, you're in a house, it's dark,
Okay.
and you haven't taken care of it for a long time, and when you go out, you don't lock the door, you keep it open, dust, junk, trash pile up, you come back and you don't meditate, the house is still dark, the rooms are all messy, the place is unclean, you sleep in it, and you don't ever take a look around for a second to realize of all the poison, all the toxic, all the, soul-numbing stuff that, you come into contact on a daily basis, but you never clean out of yourself. Okay. And I was thinking like meditation when I first did it, it was not like turning on a light switch. It wasn't like the whole house became, it didn't like make the room entirely light. It didn't like turn everything to light. It just
Common
like
light.
A small moment for myself where light for me was just not the entire house, just me. I put light on myself for a moment, and as I kept doing it, the house became brighter, and I began to see all the trash, all the dust, all the poison that I've left in my soul. And the more I meditated, the more I decided to sweep it all out. Close the door when I walked out the house. So I was kind of thinking of a metaphor for meditation, and
Right.
I came to a similar
You can write, you can record.
Oh yeah,
Or just sometime, anytime when it upspring,
yeah.
or they call anonymous, right? You write, yeah. It's very good.
I was
very
gonna-
pure thing, yeah.
I was gonna do it for my talk, and it just came up, so I decided to.
But first, before you forget it, write it in the book.
I will.
Okay. Very good simile or metaphor.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Here is metaphor too. The mind is like the calm river, right? The
Yes.
start of that. Metaphor, yeah.
5. Turning on the water. Water flows from high mountain sources. Water runs deep in the earth. Miraculously, water comes to us and sustains all life. Even if we know the source of our water, we often take it for granted. We often take its appearance for granted. But it is thanks to water that life is possible. Our bodies are more than 70% water. Our food can be grown and raised because of water. Water is a good friend, a bodhisattva, that nourishes the many thousands of species on earth. Its benefits are infinite. Reciting this gatha before turning on the faucet or drinking a glass of water enables us to see the stream of fresh water in our own hearts, so that we feel completely refreshed. To celebrate the gift of water is to cultivate awareness and help sustain our life and the life of others.
Okay, what's the metaphor?
I don't think there was. Oh, the
No.
metaphor is it's I don't think there's a metaphor. It's just more that
It's just the real.
to not take for granted things that we think water because it's all around us, but
Water is very beneficent
yes,
for beings on sattva and human being and plant and everything before drinking we are aware of that or gratitude.
Yes, but I think he's trying to say that water seems like it's everywhere. We take it for granted now because it's now everywhere, but he says, you know, our bodies are 70% water. Water is how, you know, we have food on our table. Water is how, you know, life on earth is possible. So next time, instead of just taking a quick sip and not thinking about it, you think about it for a second and you show gratitude for water being possible.
And next time, every time you drink, be aware of gratitude.
Yes,
and then
grateful.
It's a time to cultivate gratitude, big virtue.
Water is the greatest merit.
Right. You can make merit from drinking water to clean your mind from awareness of drinking, awareness of appreciation of water. Water become clean both body and mind.
Yes.
It nurture both body and mind. You can make water miracle.
Water is a miracle, yes.
Okay, go on.
6. Brushing your teeth. And there's also a photo, but I'll show it after. Brushing my teeth and rinsing my mouth, I vow to speak purely and lovingly. When my mouth is fragrant with right speech, a flower blooms in the garden of my heart. Each toothpaste advertisement promises that this particular brand will make our mouth clean and our breath fragrant. But if we do not practice right speech, our breath can never be completely fragrant. In Vietnamese, we say, quote, your words smell bad, unquote, to mean, quote, your words are not kind or constructive, but rather they are sharp, slanderous, and misleading, unquote. Our speech can build a world of peace and joy in which trust and love can flourish, or it can create discord and hatred. Right speech means that our words are both truthful and beautiful. In 1964, several of us founded a new Buddhist order, the Order of Interbeing. Oh yeah, since it says 1964, on the back...
Vietnam War?
No.
Vietnam War.
Apparently, in the blurb in the back, I don't know if you can see it, Dr. Martin Luther King nominated him in 1967, I think? Yeah, 1967 for the Nobel Peace Prize. I just forgot about that when I was reading, but... So, Martin Luther King also knew this person.
He good friend.
Oh, they're good friends.
Good friend to Martin Luther King.
Oh.
Close friend. You work for peace, work for non-violence.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Now back to this. In 1964, several of us founded a new Buddhist order, the Order of Interbeing. The order developed 14 mindfulness trainings. The 9th one reads, aware that words can create suffering or happiness. We are committed to learning to speak truthfully and constructively, using only words that inspire hope and confidence. We are determined not to say untruthful things for the sake of personal interest or to impress people, not to utter words that might cause division or hatred. We will not spread news that we do not know to be certain, nor criticize or condemn things that we are not sure. We will do our best to speak about situations of injustice, even when doing so may threaten our safety. When we remember to speak words that are true, kind, and constructive, we nourish a beautiful flower in our hearts, and we can offer its sweet fragrance to everyone. And this is also a picture for the chapter.
Yeah, these two. For TikTok too. You show for that.
Oh, I haven't been showing you guys.
Yeah, this. Okay, it balance. Okay.
Oh, I did not know. Wait, can I just go back and show them?
Okay, you can.
This is about opening the window.
First. Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
Okay, is it good?
It's really beautiful.
Good location.
Let's see the other one.
And about your heart, okay.
Yeah.
Like you express the heart, heart to the people.
Huh?
It SMS you show and give the heart to the people. That good location when you show that.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I really like the drawings. It's really nice.
It's Zen.
Yeah.
Zen Buddhism.
It's nice to look at.
Yeah, the way of Zen drawing.
7. Looking in the mirror. Awareness is a mirror, reflecting the four elements. Beauty is a heart that generates love and a mind that is open. The moments during the day of looking in a mirror can be moments of deep awareness. The mirror can serve as a tool for cultivating mindfulness so that we can develop a broad capacity to understand and love others. Anyone who maintains awareness in the present moment becomes beautiful and naturally emanates peace, joy, and happiness. A calm half smile and a loving heart are refreshing, and they allow miracles to unfold. The Buddha's smile is beautiful because it expresses tolerance, compassion, and loving kindness. In Vietnamese culture, the four elements are earth, water, fire, and air. The Vietnamese poet Tru Vu wrote, "The flower, with its ephemeral fragrance, is made of the four elements. Your eyes, shining with love, are also made of the four elements. The four elements are neither mind nor matter. They are the universe itself revealed to us. When your mind is the clear mirror of meditative awareness, you will know that you are the outward expression of the essence of reality. So please smile. Smile with your eyes, not just your lips. Smile with your whole being, reflecting the four elements in the mirror of mindfulness. Mindful awareness." Okay.
Mindful awareness. Smiling with your heart, right?
Yes.
Don't smile with your lip. Can you explain me what difference between smiling with your lip and with your heart?
Because
Can you?
because just smiling with your lips doesn't mean that you're happy. You can smile, you can fake smile when you're sad. I've done it plenty of times.
Just like that.
But if you smile with your whole body, you really do mean it.
Great.
You knowingly, when you use your whole body to smile, you really do mean it, because you're in that moment, you take it all in, and your body expresses it along with you.
And it's like a metaphor, as he mentioned, when we smile, we have the flower
Yes.
in our hearts.
Yes, when you speak the right words.
A right word, okay. The right word, we have the flower in our heart.
When my mouth is fragrant with right speech, a flower blooms in the garden of my heart.
In the garden of my heart. So my heart become garden.
Yes.
And
Garden of loving kindness.
Loving kindness is also flower. That's okay. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Using the toilet. Defiled,
Toilet meditation, see?
defiled or immaculate, increasing or decreasing. These concepts exist only in our minds. The reality of interbeing is unsurpassed. Life is always changing. Each thing relies on other things, on every other thing for its existence, for its very existence. If our mind is calm and clear, using the toilet can be as sacred as lighting incense. To accept life is to accept both birth and death, gain and loss, joy and sorrow, defilement and purity. The Heart Sutra teaches us that when we see things as they are, we do not discriminate between seeming opposites such as these. Everything, quote, is, unquote. Understanding the truth of non-duality allows us to overcome all pain. Reciting this gatha can help us apply the teachings of the Heart Sutra, even during what is usually regarded as a mundane act. Washing your hands.
When you go to the toilet, you study changing, right? About the changing. Right?
Yes.
We see so many things change. From food to be chit, right? What you call dung or chit?
Poo.
Poo. We can speak poo. The poo consists of everything. It change so many times. Change from the plate to your mouth, to your stomach and then stay a while and after in the morning go to toilet and everything become mixture, no discrimination in toilet. No discrimination of class, of caste, high society, low society.
Yeah.
The dung, the poo are same. Okay, no discrimination by poo poo.
If your mind is calm and clear. Okay.
Okay.
Washing your hands. Water flows over these hands. May I use them skillfully to preserve...
Water flow, right?
Yes.
It's like waterfall.
Yeah, it does sound similar.
Good word. Okay.
Water flows over these hands. May I use them skillfully to preserve our precious planet. Our beautiful earth is endangered. We are exhausting her resources and polluting her rivers, lakes, and oceans, destroying the habitats of many species, including our own. We are destroying the forests, the soil, the ozone layer, and the air. Because of our ignorance and fear, our planet may be destroyed as an environment that is hospitable to human life. The earth stores water, and water gives life. Observe your hands as water runs over them. Do you have enough clear insight to preserve and protect this beautiful planet, our Mother Earth?
Mother Earth. Can you explain me why he used the Mother Earth?
I don't know where it comes from, but usually when...
From your opinion.
It's like for Russia, it's like defend the fatherland. I don't know, we entitle things, that gives birth as mother or father. So the nation state, the
great
earth,
help, right? Because the earth is helpful for human being.
Yes.
So we call mother.
Yes.
In
Mother
in
Earth
this
gives
dimension.
birth.
Okay.
Yeah, we attribute things like fatherland, motherland, Mother Earth because birth, place where we live.
Depends upon the great contribution and the expression of this word present about the gratitude too.
Yes.
After appreciate about contribution or help. Okay, beautiful word from beautiful mind.
Okay. Bathing. Unborn and indestructible, beyond time and space, both transmission and inheritance lie in the wonderful nature of the Dharma Dhatu.
Dhamma Dhatu means thought or element. Like earth, fire, water, and air. We call Dhatu in Pali language. And That in Thai language. This is Dhatu too?
Dhatu.
Okay, element. Go on.
Whenever we take a bath or a shower, we can look at our body and see that it is a gift from our parents and their parents. Many of us in the West do not have much to do with our parents. They may have hurt us so much, but when we look deeply, we discover that it is impossible to drop all identity with them. As we wash each part of our body, we can meditate on the nature of the body and the nature of consciousness, asking ourselves, quote, to whom does this body belong? Who has transmitted this body to me? What has been transmitted? Unquote. If we meditate in this way, we will discover that there are three components: the transmitter, that which is transmitted, and the one who receives the transmission. The transmitter is our parents. We are the continuation of our parents and their ancestors. The object of transmission is our body itself. The one who receives the transmission is us. As we continue to meditate on this, we see clearly that the transmitter, the object transmitter, and the receiver are one. All three present in our body. When we are deeply in touch with the present moment, we can see that all our ancestors and all our future generations are present in us. Seeing this, we will know what to do and what not to do for ourselves, our ancestors, our children, and their children. The Dharma Dhatu is all that is manifested from the Dharmakaya, having Dharmakaya as its essence, just as all waves are manifestations of water. The Dharma Dhatu is neither born nor destroyed. It has no previous existence and no future existence. Its existence is beyond time and space. When we begin to understand this truth of existence with our whole being, we will begin to transcend the fear of death, and we will not be disturbed by unnecessary discrimination.
Very beautiful about transmission, right?
Yes.
He talked about three parts: ancestor, our parents, and us.
And the future generations that come after.
It
Like, we're all one long line of, what should we say? Like, long chain of life.
all life.
And that we continually give life to other people, and this chain will keep going on. And the more that we dwell on the present moment, what does he say? That we can, when we are deeply in touch with the present moment, we can see that all our ancestors and all future generations are present in us. Seeing this, we will know what to do and what not to do for ourselves, our ancestors, our children, and their children. We kind of just, when we think about it, we are just one link of the chain, and that chain is a very long one, and that will keep going regardless of what we do or what we not or what we don't do.
It impacts to all things
Yes.
because it come from transmission.
Yeah, because it's an existence beyond us. Our lives will start and it will end, and the line will keep continuing on.
By blood,
Yes.
by love, by so many dimensions. Okay, next lesson.
I think that's why he says the Dharma Dhatu is neither born nor destroyed, because
Automatatulaka Nibbana,
yeah,
existing forever.
Yes.
Kamatatu, they said, yeah.
it's neither it's always been this way. And,
Yeah, everywhere.
and when we begin to understand for ourselves, I think he's trying to say that, let me see, he's trying to say that
About relationship, Dhamma, that's it, maintaining. Existing, the phenomena.
Unborn and indestructible, beyond time and space, both transmission and inheritance lie in the wonderful nature of the Dharma Dhatu. Time and space, both transmission and I don't think I completely understand it, but I think they're just saying both transmission and inheritance, the transmitter, the transmitted.
But it is not cut. But
Yeah, it's not cut. It just keeps going.
The way of keep going. Yeah.
Yes.
So it become undestructive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear now. Because of the link or transmission and transmission and transmission.
I think it's also trying to, when it says at the end, when we begin to understand this truth of existence with our whole being, we will begin to transcend the fear of death, and we will not be disturbed by unnecessary discriminations. Like taking the long view, we come from a very long chain of ancestors, of grandparents, of grandparents, of grandparents, that once we understand this long line, this indestructible line of transmitted, transmitter, and the transmitted, we will then stop fearing death as much as we are now.
And social dimension, we can be the relatives, sister and brother from Adam and Eve. Okay, next lesson.
11. Washing your body. Rinsing my body, my heart is cleansed. The universe is perfumed with flowers. Actions of body, speech, and mind are calm. Often in daily life, our body and mind are separate. Sometimes our body is here, but our mind is lost in the past or focused in the future, possessed by anger, hatred, jealousy, or anxiety. If we can breathe mindfully, we will bring our mind and body together, and they become one again. This is what is meant by the expression, oneness of body and mind. In cleaning our bodies, we can also take the time to clean and clean our hearts and minds. There is no separation.
When we take a bath, right?
Yes.
We clean both heart and body
Yes.
together with awareness of that. Okay, very deep. Next lesson.
Getting dressed. Putting on these clothes, I am grateful to those who made them, and to the materials from which they were made. I wish everyone could have enough to wear. This gatha is an adaptation of a Vietnamese folk song. My father works the land for the rice we eat. My mother sews the clothes I wear at every season. Today, not many of our fathers work the land. We buy our clothes, our food in the store. Nor do many of our mothers sew our clothes. We buy manufactured clothes. By introducing the word grateful, which is not in the folk song, the meaning becomes wider. In Zen monasteries, before eating, the monks reflect on the sources of their food. As we get dressed in the morning, we can contemplate the sources of our clothes and the fact that not everyone has enough to wear.
Okay, I think we studied too much today. Then we come to the short text and enough for today. Okay, let you read this text number 5 only. Okay, you have it.
Oh, which page?
The page is 206. Life short and fleeting is metaphor, I think. The real metaphor. 206.
5. Life is short and fleeting. Long ago, O monks, there lived a religious teacher named Araka, who was free of sensual lust. He had many disciples. He had many hundreds of disciples, and this was the doctrine he taught to them. Quote, short is the life of human beings, O Brahmins, limited and brief. It is full of suffering, full of tribulation. This one should wisely understand. One should do good and live a pure life, for none who is born can escape death. Quote, just as a dew drop on the tip of the blade of a grass will quickly vanish at sunrise and will not last long. Even so, Brahmins, human life is like a dewdrop. It is short, limited, and brief. It is full of suffering, full of tribulation. This one should wisely understand. One should do good and live a pure life, for none who is born can escape death. Just as, when rain falls from the sky in thick drops, a bubble appearing on water will quickly vanish and will not last long. Even so, Brahmins, is human life like a water bubble. It is short, for none who is born can escape death. Just as a line drawn on water with a stick will quickly vanish and will not last long, even so, Brahmins, is human life like a line drawn on water. It is short, for none who is born can escape death. Just as a mountain stream, coming from afar, swiftly flowing, carrying along much flock sand, will not stand still for a moment, an instant, a second, but will rush on, swirl, and flow forward. Even so, Brahmins, is human life like a mountain stream. It is short, for none who is born can escape death. Just as a strong man might form a lump of spittle at the tip of his tongue and spit it out with ease, even so, Brahmins, is human life like a lump of spittle. It is short, for none who is born can escape death. Just as a piece of meat thrown into an iron pan heated all day will quickly burn up and will not last long, even so, Brahmins, is human life just like this piece of meat. It is short, for none who is born can escape death. Just as, when a cow is to be slaughtered is led to the shambles, whenever she lifts a leg, she will be closer to slaughter, closer to death. Even so, Brahmins, is human life like cow doomed to slaughter. It is short, limited, and brief. It is full of suffering, full of tribulation. This one should wisely understand. One should do good and live a pure life, for none who is born can escape death. But at that time, O monks, the human lifespan was 60,000 years, and at 500 years, girls were ready for marriage. In those days, people had but 6 afflictions: cold, heat, hunger, thirst, excrement, and urine. Though people lived so long and had so few afflictions, that teacher Araka gave to his disciples such a teaching: short is the life of a human being. But nowadays, O monks, one could rightly say, short is the life of human beings. For today, one who lives long lives for 100 years or a little more, and when living for 100 years, it is just for 300 seasons, 100 winters, 100 summers, and 100 rains. When living for 300 seasons, it is just 1,200 months, 400 winter months, 400 summer months, and 400 months of rain. When living for 1,200 months, it is just 2,400 fortnights, 800 fortnights of winter, 800s of summer, and 800s of the rain. And when living for the 2,400 fortnights, it is just for 36,000 days, 12,000 days of summer, 12,000 of summer, and 12,000 of the rains. And when living for 36,000 days, he eats just 72,000 meals, 24,000 meals in the winter, 24,000 in summer, and 24,000 in the rains. And when this is include the taking of mother's milk and the times without food. These are the times without food, when agitated or grieved or sick, when observing a fast, or when not obtaining anything to eat. Thus, O monks, I have reckoned the life of a centenarian, the limit of his lifespan, the number of seasons, years, months, and fortnights, of days and nights, of his meals and foodless times. Whatever should be done by a compassionate teacher who, out of compassion, seeks the welfare of his disciples, that I have done for you. These are the roots of the trees, O monks. These are empty huts. Meditate, monks. Do not be negligent, or else you will regret it later. This is our instruction to you.
Okay, you are expert in metaphor. Let's come to see metaphor here. What did you find out about Buddha's metaphor statement?
Well, I think it's pretty clear that he's trying to explain using metaphors in nature, because we're all part of nature. I assume that's why he likes using nature as the metaphors when concerning life. He's trying to tell us that our lives are not that very long. They're very short, and that death will come for us all. Whether or not we like it, love it, hate it, it doesn't really matter. It happens to all of us.
Mm-hmm. So, good, better.
I wasn't expecting this one, but I really do like the metaphor of just as a line drawn on water with a stick will quickly vanish and will not last long. I like that one.
I like that one.
I think that was pretty,
About the drop
smart.
of water?
No, the if you use a stick.
Rainfall?
And drop, no. If you use a stick, make a line in water, it will quickly vanish.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I
it's
like that.
very quick.
I like that metaphor. Yeah, very, very quick. Not very long.
Yeah. Okay, beautiful to study, beautiful thing today. In conclusion, Dhamma is beautiful, right? Okay, you mark.
Can I keep this book?
Okay.
So I can read it?
Okay, and tomorrow come and go on reading.
Okay.
And okay, you keep with you and read, enjoy reading. How much to the triple J in short? Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava
Bhutam Bhagavantang Abhivatemi
Sawakato
Bhagavata Dhammo Dhammang Namasami
Saupatipanno
Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅkho Saṅghang Namami ขอบคุณครับอาจารย์
ขอบคุณครับเช่นกัน เราเก็บโต๊ะนี้ก่อนนะ เก็บให้เรียบร้อย 11 โมงพบกันใหม่ 11 see you again at 11
Oh, my God. Oh, because of my hit for no? Oh.
oh
There we go.
no
Oh, no.
it blossom flower blossom in your heart
Oh, I see what's wrong here.
slowly bring awareness is balance
That's why.
good you become the wise on time be wise on time
There we go.
here we go โอเคโยมโจ้เสร็จแล้ววันนี้ลูกชายเผยแผ่ธรรมะกว้างไกลอนุโมทนาบุญด้วย We have 2 persons to join the class one from Vietnam Thank you our fellow being our good friend from Vietnam May we share the merit to you all Thank you for คุณเอลิซายินดีผลเจริญ from Los Angeles Thank you for joining our class from the starting to end Okay we stop broadcasting right now May all beings be free from suffering be free from hostility be free from violence be peaceful and happy